guys, and welcome back to my channel. Are you sick of using the same question and answer? Don't worry, in this video you're going to learn the different ways to say "How are you?" and how to answer. Let's get started. So question number 1, you can say "How's everything?" Question number 2, you can say "How's it going?" Question number 3, you can say "How are things?" Question number 4, "What's up?" Question number 5, you can say "What are you up to?" Question number 6, "How do you do?" And question number 7, you can say "How have you been?" Now, how would you answer these questions? So, if you're feeling better and positive, you can say "Fantastic, thank you." Or you can say "Great, thanks." You can say "Amazing." Or "I've never been better." What if you're feeling just normal and okay? Well, you can add "I'm okay," or "I'm alright," or you can say "Not bad," or you can say "Fine." But when you're feeling bad or extremely bad, what can you say? Not so good, or you can say not that good. Also, you can say I could be better. You can say terrible or horrible. However, you use these questions and answers in a formal and informal way, depending on the situation. If you're with your friends or you're in the office. So that was all for today's video. I hope you had a great time. Make sure to practice because practice makes perfect.